I have an afternoon to make my bedroom fully smart just using this sensor, a few lights and Home Assistant. This is one good way to start making your room smart. It's a suitable solution if you have roommates or if you live at your parents' house. From the last unboxing video, I just wired up the Aqara FP2, connected it to the app and create specific zones. The goal is to make automations based on where you're at, for example when you sit at your desk or when you're on the bed. I then connected it to Home Assistant and walked into the room to see if it was working properly and named the zones. And now the funniest part, taking a piece of paper and writing down all the rules. Basically how you want your room to behave when presence is detected. If you don't know where to start, here are a few rules for the lights. 1. If someone is detected and it's dark in the room, turn on the lights. The sensor has even a brightness sensor, so it's easy to know if there is light or not in the room. 2nd, turn off the lights if no one is detected after 10 seconds. This will make sure your lights don't flicker when you go back and forth. From there you can add more complexity to these rules. For example, you don't want the lights to turn on when you're sleeping, so you could modify the first rule into turn on the lights only when it's dark in the room and it's not sleeping time. The way you detect sleeping is up to you. On my side I'm using the sleep mode focus on iPhone, and those are only for the lights. You can then use the zones you created to control computers, speakers and so on. Here is my 3rd rule, for example. If someone is detected on the desk zone for more than 3 seconds, turn on the computer and set the lights to red and blue. When you've written all the rules and it's super clear for you, you just need to write those rules on Home Assistant through automations. I'll see you on the next video.